Welcome to Just Do It Yourself Already. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an engine air filter in a 2015 Honda Accord. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get into the vehicle and you're going to pop the hood. All right. Once you got the hood open, you're going to go look for the air filter housing. And in most cars, it's going to look something like this, where you have your cover and you have a hose going to your throttle body there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going to look something similar like that. And the cover itself is going to be held in with either clips like this, so you'll find a few of those holding the cover on, or you'll find screws holding it in. In either case, you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove the cover, and we're going to take a look at the air filter. So on this vehicle, it's got 3 clips holding the cover on, and you're just going to undo those by giving it a little pull, and you'll see it unclasp. And the third one is just in the back here. So do the same thing, just unclasp that. Boom. Now just lift and there you go. So once you've got it unclasped, you just want to remove the old air filter out, replace it with a new one exactly the way you found it. So what you want to do is you want to go to your local automotive store or to the dealership, and you want to pick yourself up a new air filter. And in this case, I went to the Honda store and I got the new air filter directly from them. And as you can see, there's a huge difference between what we're putting in and what we're taking out. And for as cheap as this is, I think this costs maybe 40-50 bucks at the most. It's worth doing this every year, guys, just to keep your engine running well. Alright, so we've put the new filter in exactly the way the old one came out. Now all we got to do is re-secure the cover, and then that's it. That's all there is to it. Alright guys, so I just reinstalled the cover in the exact reverse order of taking it off. My apologies, I couldn't demonstrate how to do that. It was a little tough to do holding the camera. But all I did was I made sure the little tabs here and here just went into their little spots. And then you drop the cover down, seat it, make sure it's all attached to the base there. And then you just take the 2 clasps here, clasp them back on. And then the third one back here, same thing. And that's it. That's all it takes to replace your engine air filter. And the procedure is fairly similar on most vehicles. You just have to go ahead and locate your air filter housing, unsecure the fasteners, whether it be clips like those or a Phillips or a Torx screw. You just go ahead, loosen those, remove the cover, remove the filter, replace it with your new one in the exact same way the old one came out, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have anything to add or any comments, please let me know down below. Thank you.